chicken. I mean, it feels pretty defrosted, I think. I don't know, let's rip it out of the package. Because you wouldn't defrost it in the package anyway, right? I mean, I could still put them in the microwave. They still... These don't look like chicken tenders. Okay, yeah, these are still like a little frozen. So, how long should I put them in for? They're like mostly defrosted, but they're like a little frosty still. 5 minutes at 30%? Why don't I just do 2 minutes at 100%? These don't even look like chicken. You guys see this? This doesn't even look like chicken. I guess while we're waiting for that to defrost, we'll get everything else set up. So we're gonna need a plate for flour, a bowl for eggs, and then a plate for breadcrumbs. All right? You guys taking notes? I'm a master chef. Ah. Does it look good? So we got breadcrumbs. We gotta get good breadcrumbs. This company, 4C, they make the best breadcrumbs. And then we need flour. We need some seasoning. We're gonna use Tony's Creole seasoning. Adds a little spice. No cross-contamination? No, it's not cross-contamination if you're cooking. We'll put a little flour onto this plate. Oh, dude, flour feels so nice. It's like powdered air. Flour your balls? What? Oh, you put baby powder on your balls. And that does feel nice. One of these eggs are good. We'll figure it out. One egg. Two egg. Now let's check if the milk's still good. Smells okay. Alright, we'll put a little milk in. Now you mix it up. You want to get all the dark yellow bits out. You want it to be one consistent color. You know? If you got different colors in your eggs, then you didn't do it good. Alright. That's pretty good. How's that look, chat? Can't even really see. It's good. Trust me. Take my word. Okay, so now we need breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs still good? Do breadcrumbs go bad? You're the chef, you tell me. Breadcrumbs are good forever because they're basically stale bread anyway. That's what the chef says. You add your spices. Do a little salt and pepper too. A little dash of onion powder. Onion powder. A little dash of French fry seasoning. All right. What else we got in here? Throw some spicy Monterey steak. This is the secret blend I'm showing you guys. No, I'm not just grabbing stuff. I planned all this out. Where's my, Oh, okay. And then a little bit of garlic powder. You don't want too much garlic powder. Alright, that looks pretty good. Right, we got all the seasonings done now. Alright, we got a pan. You take a little bit of oil. Just a splash. You don't want to overdo it. I might have overdid it, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so then what you do, you have a dry hand and a wet hand. And this is my dry hand. And you put it in the flour. Oop, shit, I just got flour everywhere. Really coat it in the flour. Oh, I gotta turn the heat on. You want it to be hot. If it's not hot, it won't sizzle. If it doesn't sizzle, it doesn't cook. Secret blend kappa. You gonna mix your seasonings? Yeah, you mix it when you put the chicken in it. See, I'm basting the chicken in the flour, and then you move over and you coat the chicken in the egg. See what I'm doing here, guys? And now once it's in the egg, you switch over to your other hand. And then this hand does the breading. All right. Mix it up, make sure it's nice and bready. All right, and then once you're looking good, put it in the pan. That's one done, and we got like 15 to go. And you basically rinse and repeat. What's this yellow stuff on my chicken? Is this fat? Can I rip that off? Should I rip that off? Well, we're just gonna wing it, guys. I'm just gonna play it by ear. See, cooking is not an exact science. It's more of a feeling. It's like an emotion. Emotions aren't really scientific. They're more how you feel in the moment. And cooking's kind of the same way. Oh yeah, it's sizzling. Ooh, that's hot. It's a hot pan, boys. Oh, it smells like something. Doesn't smell like chicken, but I'll tell you it smells like something. I'll show you guys what we got so far, alright? Look at that chicken sizzle. This is going to be some good-ass chicken, I'll tell you that right now. Now, if you have tongs, tongs are the best for flipping your chicken. Because it's like little fingers, but they don't get burned, you know? Looks good, no lie. See? Told you. I know what I'm doing. Oh, no, it's burnt. Yeah, it's burnt. Does that still look good? No lie? Alright, I think we should maybe lower the heat a little bit. Or maybe we need more oil. I don't really know. We're just gonna put a little more oil in the thing. House tour, poggers? Oh no, the fire alarm's going off. Alright, so cooking is, like I said, it's not an exact science. So like, we fucked up with the first one. Fuck. Does this thing have an on and off switch? Your pan's too small for like a lot? What? Well, we're not gonna cook them all at the same time. You know what? I'm just gonna put the fire alarm outside, because if it's outside, it won't smell smoke. So I'll do that. That's easier. That's easier than taking the batteries out. Okay, so we got rid of the fire alarm, so we shouldn't have any more beeps. Let's take a look at the first chicken that we did. And we'll see on a scale from poison to raw how deadly it is. Yeah, it's like a warm pink center. Medium rare chicken. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna throw this plate out. This is not a good plate. This is a bad plate. See, that's why you buy a lot of chicken, guys. See, we got a whole plate still. We got at least 5 more attempts. Some rare chicken. It's a very special rare chicken, right? The chicken's 1 in a million. It's a rare breed. I'm gonna put the breadcrumbs in a bowl because they were making too much of a mess in a plate. I'm gonna try and clean up some of this flour that's just all over the place. Okay. I would suggest smaller pieces of chicken. How am I doing that? The chicken came like that. Chicken parm, chicken strips. Well, I wanted to make chicken cutlets, but I bought chicken thighs. But they're boneless, so I mean, it's just like chicken nuggets, right? Alright, so I'm gonna slightly reduce the heat. So we don't want it too hot, because I think that's why it burnt last time. It's because it was too hot. Oh! I think we have too much oil in the pan, guys. Look at that one. Actually good. Actually good. See, that's the problem with gas stoves. It's just fire, you know? And you can't set the temperature of fire, because fire is just one temperature. Any people are weird? What? No, dude, we're evolved. Right? People in the UK and Germany and Europe, they've been doing shit the same way for like the last like 20 years. Well, no, like last 200 years. And then Americans, we had the American Revolution, and we said we were done. We were done with doing it the European way. And now we just do things differently here, dude. We created our own metric system and everything. Kilometers? What the hell's a kilometer? You mean miles. Alright guys, here's the test, alright? We're gonna cut into this shit and we're gonna see what's going on. Pie? What kind of pie? It's an apple pie I got a week ago. That looks pretty good. Chat, is that good? Plastic knife? Well, yeah, I mean, if it's raw, I don't want to have to clean a real knife. Is this dark meat chicken? Is our breast dark meat? Does anyone know? Let's give the old taste test. Wow. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, it's good. It's not the best chicken I've ever had, but it's pretty fucking good. Very good. I mean, worst case scenario, I get food poisoning, right? I don't die. Yeah, I don't like this chicken. I'm throwing this one out. This is a small piece. It's burnt. I don't like it. I'm just gonna put it here for right now, and we're gonna throw it out. We're not using it. Look at the chicken, though. The chicken came out pretty good. That's a 10 out of 10 chicken, if I would say so myself.